Rebecca here again, and today I'm going to share with you the kit that I've put together to work on all March long. I have tried to add more than I did in my February kit because, as you know, halfway through February I had created so many layouts that I used most of what I had in there and had to start breaking into other page kits, which is okay because I ended up getting over 40 layouts done. 48 total in February, so I'm going to try to match that for March. The Mini Kit Monday ladies put out their inspiration, and the Counterfeit Kit also put out their informations, or their challenges, their inspirations. I kind of went with the colors, sort of, from the Counterfeit Kit. I was just the February kit, I had used the deep dark colors, so I was ready for some bright and crazy, and I kind of went along with this challenge here. We had $25 to spend. Anything in gold was free, and then here's kind of like the prices. So I tried to use basically pattern papers, cardstock stickers, puffy stickers, alphas and thickers, flat alphas, die cuts, wood veneer, enamel dots, sequins nouveau, and cardstock, which I still have to grab some cardstock and add to the kit, but that's fine. I did not use bows, texture paste, rub-ons, or flare, and no washi. So, I mean, this is, I might add some other things to it, but I tried to stick to $25, and I believe I may have went over. So this was the piece that I pulled to kind of get all the colors that I wanted. So bright, fun spring colors. I added some even brighter colors. So we're going to go through the stack of 12 by 12 paper. So I've got this one and this one. I'm going to try to stay in frame. I just went with all of these fun, bright colors, and I grabbed some solid colors from the paper pad project kits that I had. I did throw in some black. I just went, I don't know, I grabbed a lot of pattern paper because, like I said, I ran out in February and I had to start pulling in some other page kits, which didn't necessarily go with the palette choice that I had chosen. So my the die cuts and ephemera and everything that I had chose didn't quite go with it. So now these, I had a couple iris containers with paper pads in it that wasn't in my normal paper storage, and then a like one of those, I don't know, it's got a like little tie on it that you can, like a little project pack. These were kind of like all sitting in there, so I grabbed from that. I didn't even go over there to my normal paper storage. I just grabbed what I had sitting over here that I hadn't got put away yet. So I got some very bright colors. I got some blacks. I've got some plaids. I pulled in some wood green. I just kind of went just any kind of bright, fun color that was off that main inspiration sheet that I thought would work. And I just kind of went with it. I had a lot of fun making this kit. I kind of branched off into my own. See what I can get used up this month. So those are my 12 by 12 pattern papers that I have chosen for March. Then I also went into my 8 by 6 and pulled some of these. That I thought would kind of bringing in some more of the the deeper green from that paper. And then I also went through my 6x6 pattern papers. And pull them. I mean, they're Echo Park. There's some Stampin' Up. There's some Amy Tan, some Paige Evans. Just random paper pads. Stampin' Up. That one's Stampin' Up. Pink Paisley. So, I'm gonna go back this way, but I mean, it took me a while to get my kit together because I had been a little under the weather. I was not feeling good. Yeah, it was a bad couple days. Pulled in some gold. And just some fun stuff because I want to scrap some fun things. Now, for my thickers, I went with some white daiquiri thickers, some Dear Lizzie Bonjour, which had a lot of fun colors in the gold, some rose thickers, and I did a lot of gold because gold, you know, this was a Hip Kit exclusive because I was a member. Some gold word thickers, which are from the Catherine. Together, some gold glitter. Another Hip Kit exclusive. I pulled in some of that blue. Another Hip Kit exclusive with some gold and some of the teal. Another Hip Kit exclusive with some pink and gold. The Echo Park Capture Life, I had the pink flat alphas, and then this is another Hip Kit with that yellow lime color. Not sure if I'm going to get that used. And then the Desktop Thickers by Dear Lizzie in gold. So that, I'm going to put those over there. So that's my stack of thickers. And then I grabbed one flat alpha in black. Now, this is just kind of how I store my little border strips of their stickers. These are not the colors. I just didn't want to take them all out of the package. So I'm going to be pulling in some of those. Gold word stickers. These cute little wooden arrows that had some of the colors. I just got this at Tuesday Morning last month, I believe. I thought those were cute. I have some hearts, and just like some puffy hearts, and then some, you know, clouds and moons and rainbows. I'm just trying to get this used up. It had some of the colors, and it has just, on this side it only has a couple left, and this side a little bit more, so I'm going to try to get that used up. I'm going to try to use this up. My product focus for this month is I have a bin that looks like this. And it is chocked full with all my random stickers that aren't from a collection. They're just random stickers that I've had for years and years and years. So that's my product focus. So I kind of went through and pulled, here's some of these flowers that match the colors. But I pulled from that, and I'm going to actually leave that sit on my desk. I don't have it over here now because I don't have a place for it. But I'm going to leave that sit on my desk, and I'm going to pull from that. But some of these I already did. I got this from Tuesday Morning. It's a family one. I mean, the colors are, but I was pulling more for the gold and the wood veneer. This little thicker, I have the congrats and a leaflet left, so I'm going to try to get through that. I have the Echo Park Summer Dreams. I have a couple of these rosettes that I had purchased before I started making them, so I've got 3 left. I've only used one, so I'm going to try to get through those from that sticker bin, again from the sticker bin, so I'm going to try to get that used up. This was like gifted to me in a box of stuff, and it's little corner tabs, photo corners. So I'm trying to use those more. I mean, they're just clear, so I'm trying to get those done as adhesives. This entire thing, stickers here, are from Michaels when I first started up again, about 2014. After a couple years off, I ordered there was so many more. I've gotten through a lot of them, but this is what is left that I ordered from Michaels. So I added those in there so I can try to get through those because those were also in the sticker bin. This was gifted to me from a friend. It's little bitty Post-its. So I'm going to see if I can use them. If not, I'll use them to mark them, to like write my notes on my page. Again, from the sticker bin was some the macarons, which are in the colors, and there's only 5 left. So this was in a Hip Kit Club. It's little pom-poms. I've never used them, so I'm going to try to get those used up. These little owls again, little puffy owls, I'm going to try to get those used up. Some Amy Tan. Those are 2 different collections. That's all I have left, so I'm going to try to get that used up. Some pink, Paige Evans Pink Paisley. That's all I have left of her puffy stickers, so it would be great to get that used up. A whole bunch of gold stars because gold was free. Some rosettes that I made that were just kicking around in my drawer, so I'm going to try to get those used up. A gem pack. I just put them in this little container, so I'm gonna try. And probably, you know, I mean, and I have a whole big drawer up there that if I don't have what I need in here, I'll grab from that. My sequin pack, so I have all kinds of fun sequin colors. I just got this from Tuesday Morning, The Illustrated Faith. It's it's hexagons, and they're epoxy stickers. So I mean, you know, I'm gonna try to get those used. I have these little craft tags that have been sitting around. Some more of these little Horizon Pink Paisley charms. The only Nuvo drop that I have, I bought this because I thought I would like the Nuvo drops, and I don't. I mean, they're great. I just don't. I'm so impatient. I run my hand through them, so I like enamel dots. Brought out some tools to put in my kit. This is my Martha Stewart circle cutter. I'm going to try to do some circle cut just to get some use out of my tools that I never use. I grabbed some punches as well, just because right now they're hidden behind, my mom got in a whole bunch of like foam core board. Like, we're talking like, it's as big as my 6 by, it's like half my wall. It's covering up my entire little 12 by 12 cubbies. So I grabbed some a banner punch from Stampin' Up! And a tree/cloud builder punch. So I'm gonna try to get those used. Alright, I'm gonna bring in some ink splattered, but that's all. It's like at the below of my, the bottom of like the second drawer down from my little Rascog knockoff Michaels cart, and I'm not gonna pull those up. I mean, it's just Heidi Swap and different stuff. I'm gonna try to use this little guy up because, again, I bought those as an impulse buy at Michaels, and the Nuvo drops are way better than this little cheap stuff. So, and then I have my little photo container full of just die cuts and ephemera. This is like, you know, and chipboard and epoxy words and stuff in the colors, and like I said, it is literally checked full. And then I have this one, and this one is all of like, you know, enamel shapes, and I have like just, you know, I have wood veneer in here and buttons and flowers and paper clips, and more so that this is all the stuff that sits up there in my little tool chest thing. these cute little flowers. So I'll pull from this first, but if I find that I need like another flower or another button or another enamel dot, I will just grab it from up there, or a different wood veneer shape. This is just kind of to remind me that, hey, it's up there, use it. You know, paper clips, charms, I have no idea, some brads. So, and that is it. That is what I have in my kit so far. The only thing I have to add is some cardstock. And let me know what you think, and hopefully soon I will have some stuff to show you that I created with this large, wonderful kit. And thumbs up if you like the video. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Hit subscribe if you would like to see more videos that I put out. And have a nice day. Bye.